Hello, everybody. Mr. Shard here, and we have a fun lesson for you today. And this lesson is also going to be going live. So, if you're watching this, that's awesome. You can do it anytime you'd like to. But just so you know, I'm also going to do these same challenges that we're going to be doing live, also with Mr. Miranda, my student teacher. So, you can either watch this video right now and do it on your own, or you can join us live during your appointed time. So Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. But here we go. Let's get started, and it's gonna be a fun one today. So let's go 10 jumping jacks first. Get warmed up. Ooh, okay, I'm feeling tight today. Ready, set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Arm circles forwards. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Front to back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just as a reminder for our warm-ups, we I try and get most aspects of the whole body from your head down to your toes. So we'll warm up all those joints slash muscles. And so we're gonna start with our neck too. We're gonna do some neck rolls all the way around. Oh, snap, crackle, and pop. Nice and slow, not too fast. When you're doing neck rolls. In another direction. Use your shoulders around if you'd like to as well. But that's why we do these as well too, though. So okay, so let's do one arm forwards, other arm forwards, other arm backwards, other arm backwards, and one forwards, one backwards. Then switch it up. All right, so trunk twists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And our lower back now. Touch your toes. Up. 1, good morning. Up. 2, good morning. Up. 3, good morning. Up. 4, good morning. 5, good morning. 6, good morning. 7, good morning. 8, good morning. 9, good morning. And up. 10, good morning. Just some leg swings. So we're gonna do go down so you can see them a little easier. Actually, maybe what I'll do is send you down here. So there we go. We'll do some leg swings here. So it's gonna go front to back first. Then you can use a wall or something to keep you so from falling over first. Move that up to the side. Okay, front to back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And other leg. Again, hold on something if you want to, so you don't fall over. And try to get your toes as high as you can get them, and back as far as you can get as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're gonna do side to side motions now. So instead of front to back, now we're gonna move our legs side to side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other direction, other leg. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, and do our ankle rolls. Come here, make sure that's in floppy, nice and loose. Okay, and you gotta just run a circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, and other direction. All right, switch feet. We're on one direction, and then the other direction. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, let's continue warm-ups with some push-ups. Kids are napping, so there's no jumping on my back today. But let's do 5 triangle ones and 5 super wide ones. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go super wide out. Ready? 1. Oh, there's that one. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And for our abs today, let's do. What haven't we done in a while? Let's just do some leg raises. Okay, so we'll do I call them 6, 12, flutter, and scissors. Okay, so put this so you can see my feet a little bit easier. All right, and if you want to, you can put your hands under your gluteus maximus so you're able to actually just straighten your spine a little more so it doesn't hurt your back. So I like to do that. So 6 inches looks like this. That's 12. Well, it's a little more than 12, but then flutter, and then scissors, and then 0. Okay, so let's do 6 first. 12, 6, 12, flutter, scissors, flutter, and down. Rest for a few seconds. Good exercises. And remember, we only have we don't have 6 abs. We actually only have 1 abdominal muscle. It's just divided by tendons. All right, let's try it again. Ready, set, and 6 inches. 12, 6, 12, flutter, scissors, flutter, 6, 12, 6, 12, flutter, scissors, and down. All right, let's finish with our leg exercises. Feel a little bit. And we're gonna do a hamstring exercise. So for a hamstring, actually, I'm gonna put this down just a little bit again. For a hamstring, we're gonna do our leg out straight, then lift your butt, your gluteus maximus off the ground, okay, nice and high. And the higher you push that heel down to the ground, the better it is for your hamstring muscles, which is the back of your legs right here. So, ready? We'll count to 10. 1, 2, 3. And push that bottom off the ground. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We'll rest the other leg out, and you can go ready. 1, 2, 3 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, push that heel down, lift my bottom off the ground as high as you can get it. 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Okay, so we do have a fun list of challenges for you today, as usual. And so for challenges today, you're going to need a few things. Not many things you will have around the house. If not, you can improvise with something. So let's see. You're going to need a just one toilet paper roll, or if you want to, instead you can use a little ball if you'd like to or something. This is one of my kids' balls I have. You're gonna need three of something small. You can crumble up paper, but I've got a Connect 4 piece here, a Lego, and a little astronaut guy. Okay, so three little things you'll need. Um, Now, the other person I saw doing this didn't use weights. They actually used a tennis ball, actually two tennis balls, one for each foot, and you'll see what that means in a second. But I'm using these instead. A little easier than a tennis ball, but you get the hang of it in a second. And yes, I've got a gallon of water here. You can just get a bottle. Doesn't really matter. I'll explain that as well as we go. And lastly, I've got a clothes hamper here for a basket. So let's get started with number one. Well, actually, this is not number one. This is 46 for you. So we've done 46 different challenges in the last few lessons. These are fun ones. Okay, so this is kind of fun one. You're gonna hold it. It doesn't really have to be a basketball. It can be any kind of ball you would like. But I just happen to have one of these ones. Just any ball. Okay. And you're gonna go in the push-up position first. Okay. Hold the ball in one hand. Go up like so. Can't really see too well. Maybe I'll back up a little bit. Oh, yeah, there we go. Hold the ball up like so. I'm gonna drop the ball on the other side of me, and then pick it up. Ready? Okay, and then same thing here. Okay, nice and high. Got the ball. Pick it up. Okay, so obviously, if you don't have one that bounces, it's gonna be a little tougher. I mean, just gonna have to drop it, and I don't think I can. I don't think I can drop it and then pick it up without hitting the ground. I'm gonna try. I don't think I can do it, but we'll see. I have to throw it up in the air a little bit. It's really, really tough. I'm not sure if I can do that. Yeah, I don't know. Ready? So maybe I'll throw it a little bit first. Oh, I think that's potentially doable. Let's see. Try one more time. Try this way instead. Oh, I think that is possible. Okay. I just didn't do it that time. So go ahead and try that. One's a fun one. See if you can do it on both sides. And again, if you have a ball that bounces, you can bounce once, then catch it. That's ideal for that. All right. So challenge number 2/47. Okay. Yeah, this is one of the students I saw doing this one. They were actually doing it on a tennis ball, on two tennis balls, which I'm not sure how that was possible, but they did. So instead of standing on a tennis ball, I'm going to stand on these two weights. Again, they roll, so it makes it still difficult. Okay, it's a little too low. And then we're going to try and do a squat, which is going to be pretty tough. Okay, balancing on these. I'm going to move over a little bit. Okay, without my heels hitting the ground. So I'm balancing on the two without them hitting the ground. So it's kind of hard to see me if I like this. You can see I'm not cheating. Okay. Ooh, this is tough. I don't know if I can do this one. I have not tried this one yet. Whoa. Oh. Ooh, that is tough. That is much tougher than I thought it was going to be. So, let's try that. Well, I still can't see the weights, but it's okay. Let's see the balancing act going on. Ooh. Oh. Stuff. Oh, squat and go back up. Oh. That's a fun squat to do on that one. So you could also do it on not something that rolls. You could just do it on I don't know, anything that's not going to move on you. You can stand on a shoe or stand on a step or something like that without your heels hitting the ground um, for that challenge. That's a fun one. Actually felt kind of good in the arches of my foot. That felt good actually. So, um, okay. So if you have any kind of racket for this one, you can use a racket. You can use a tennis racket or um, a racquetball racket or something if you'd like to. But not many of you have those, and some of you have a frisbee. So I just picked up actually a frisbee golf disc that I had. And you're gonna do this. Okay. I'm gonna try and do this. Is you're gonna just put the ball on the racket, or in this case, just a frisbee. Okay, you're gonna throw it up in the air and catch it. Okay, you do it one-handed. Okay, challenge one part, the easy part of it. Okay, now the hard part is I'm gonna try to throw something in the air. While it's in the air, I'm gonna flip this around, catch it, and then catch the ball again. Okay, this is gonna be a tough one. I don't know if you can see it. And the ceiling's not super high, so to give me enough time to flip it, I'm going to have to do it low to the ground so I can throw up in the air, flip the frisbee, then catch the ball again. So I'm going to try with two hands first. Okay, let's see. Ready, set, and totally lost that. Didn't even come close to catching that one. Let's try it again. Now the cool thing about YouTube videos, because I upload these on YouTube, is that um, you can slow down the YouTube video. You can put in slow mo if you want to see it. So it's kind of cool. Here they come here. That's what I'm going to throw it. Flip the frisbee and catch it again. Ooh, I did it. That was close. Super close. Let's try one more time. Ready? Maybe I'll try with one hand this time. Oh, I don't know. Nope, that ball actually, you can't tell, but it's literally sitting right on the computer there. I'll try one more time. I don't think I can do it with one hand. I have to literally let go of the. Right. Nope, nope, that isn't gonna happen for that one. But two hands, I can do it. Okay, that was tough. All right, challenge. Let's see, what was that one? Oh, that was the 48. Okay, so 49 is balance three small objects. Okay, this is a fun one. So I'm going to take your three small objects. And this was a fun challenge we used to do when we were kids, is you take the three objects. Again, they're just three small little things. Doesn't matter what they are. You used to use coins, but you don't have to use coins. You can use coins if you want to, but and put them on your elbow. And I'm left-handed, so it makes it a little easier for me. So, oh, already fell off. You have to be super fast when you do this one. You put it on your elbow. You're gonna balance. There's one. There's astronaut guy. There's a Lego piece. So in one quick motion, I'm gonna throw an arm down and then catch all three of them. Hopefully, let's see. Ready, set. I got two. Just two out of the three. Let's try it again. Missed my connect four piece on that one. All right, so a different order. Maybe I'll do astronaut guy first, then connect four, then my Lego piece. So there's my three. Oh, we get the first part correct first, huh? Astronaut, got four, Lego piece. Ready? One, two, three. Oh, I did it that time. So you can see one, two, three pieces there. There's the little There you go. Okay, so that's a fun one. And you can try, even if that's too easy for you, just three of them. If it's too easy for you, you can try 4, 5, or 6 pieces if you want to. It's fun. Okay, so that's a fun challenge. You gotta be really fast when you do that one. Okay. All right. Next on the list. Okay, those three. Now lay flat on the ground, and then you're gonna hold a water bottle up, or in this case, I actually have a whole gallon of water. Okay, now I have to be able to stand up with this gallon of water above my head. Okay, and not touch the ground with my other hand. Okay, or my feet, except for I'm about to stand up, but you'll see in a second. Okay, so I'm gonna put this up in the air like so. I'll do it with my right hand so you can see it easier. Okay, and then you have to like go up on my bottom and then stand up. Okay, let's go like this. Okay, then stand up. Now it's a little bit harder to use both hands up in the air to try and balance. Okay, and then you're gonna be able to stand up, okay, with holding this. Now a gallon of water is 8.3 pounds. Okay, so if it's too easy for you, just a little heavier if you want to, but this is good enough. So both hands up in the air. Okay, there we go. And stand up. Okay, not super hard, but it is a little balancing act there. And the weight is heavy on your upper body there, so that's why that's hard. All right. Okay. Oh, this is fun. Just you gotta take your clothes basket and toilet on top of a roll, and just throw it backwards, without looking. You can't see. Okay, into the basket. And so, actually, you know what? This works good. I've got this little hallway here. Okay, that goes to my. And see if I can do it so you actually can see it. There we go. And so put this on the hallway. What's that door? And oh yeah, you can see it. You can see the basket there. And see, I'll do it from here, so you can see. Now, that makes it actually harder to look at the screen and try and get the basket. It's kind of hard actually. So this isn't going to be helping me unless I see. I'm not looking. Okay. Nope. I'm gonna try my basketball heavier, so I have to go get that. I didn't need some more force on that for sure. That was lucky. It bounced in, so I wouldn't count that one. But it did go in. Okay. Let's try it again. Okay, the no look toilet roll in the basket. Let's see. Ready? Get even more force this time. All right, it's pretty close. Try basketball again. So you can get lucky again. I hit it. It moved. All right. Okay, so just like any of these challenges we're doing, they're always more fun if you're doing with somebody else. So if your mother or a mom or dad, or brother, or sister around, it's just say you each take turns, so you can get in the basket first. You can take turns for all of these challenges because they're supposed to be difficult. Not be able to do it on the first try. That's the idea. But go ahead and do challenges with someone else. Always more fun. And also, again, don't give up if you try the first time it doesn't work. Obviously, you can see I'm not able to do these the first time either. Okay, so let's see, 52. Oh, this is kind of a tough one, actually. Um, it's interesting. You have to start in the V position and then turn all the way around. So the thing by that is it will start in this V position like this. Okay, and I have to turn all like barrel roll around without having my legs or my any part of my arm touch the ground. Okay, let's see if I can do this one. It's kind of tough. Maybe balance here. Turn all the way around without grabbing. Touch on the ground. Okay. I don't know if I did that quite. I barely brushed with my arm, so I'll try going backwards. That was pretty tough, actually. From here. All right. Okay, I think I was a little better that time. Yeah, still a pretty tough one. Try to turn all around, just balancing like that, and not having none of your limbs hit the ground. That's a tough one. Okay. Ooh. All right. This is a fun one. Okay, so you're gonna lay it in the ground with the ball in your hand, or if you want to, you could use the toe paper roll, either one. And you're gonna throw the ball. Oh, sorry, throw the ball in the air. Okay, and then catch it with your feet, and then throw it with your feet, catch it with your hands. Okay, so let's see if I can do this one. All right, it's hard to see because I'm a little off camera, but oh, didn't count. I got between my knees. That's cheating. You try to catch it with my feet instead. Ready? Nope. Throw number 2 didn't work. Try 3. Nope. 4. Kind of cheated again. Covered my shins. Didn't quite get to my feet. That's pretty tough. I'm gonna try the toilet paper roll instead. This is quite bouncy. It bounces off my feet. All right. Let's try a toilet paper roll. Ooh, that's tough too. Ooh, caught it with my feet there. And then throw it back. This is the easy one, back in your hands. Okay, so it's 1, now you can get 2 in a row. Nope. That's a fun one too. Okay, 12 paper roll catch. That works. All right, and so the next ones, the next challenges are a timed challenges to see how many we can do. And this is more of an exercise part of it as well. So you're gonna get a line on the ground, and you're just gonna do 10 seconds, which doesn't seem like that long, but it is. After I'm gonna get some tape so it's easier for you guys to see the line. So you don't have to get tape. You can use a piece of rope. You don't have to use anything at all. You can use a carpet line versus hardwood floor. Doesn't matter. You can do this. Oh, I can do that, but that works anyway. Okay. So put a line on the floor. Okay, and all I'm gonna do is the first one's gonna be moguls, which if you're a skier, you know what that means. Okay, you're gonna go like this with both feet. Go over your line. Okay, and 10 seconds. I'm gonna hold this in my hand so I can see how much time is going by. I'm gonna count how many times I can jump over the line as fast as I can count over the line, and you'll see what I can get. So you can challenge me on this if you want to. So if you can get more than what I'm going to get in 10 seconds. I know you guys are fast, sometimes faster than me. So we'll see how many I can do in just 10 seconds. Ready? And you'll hear the timer go off as well. So it makes it easier for you to make sure I'm not cheating online here. So 10 seconds of back and forth like this. Moguls. Fast as I can go. Ready? And you can go on my account if you want to, or if you have your own stopwatch, you can go on yours. But here we go. Ready, set, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That was 16. Okay. So I counted as like I'm going across 1, across 2. So that's how I was counting those. So I had 16 in 10 seconds. So that was about as fast as I could go. I can't go much faster on that. So that's a pretty high number. If you can get 16 or close to that, that's pretty good. So next one, again, keep the same line. Is the front to back. So instead of going side to side, we're going to go front to back. All right. So again, same 10 seconds. On your marks. Get set and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, again, got the same 16 number. I guess that's about as fast as I can go, and it's consistent at least. So front to back was 16, side to side was 16. We'll see what I can get for the next one, which is going to be crisscross. Okay, so when you do a crisscross, I want you to just alternate your feet. Okay, which means, so when I'm doing a crisscross, I go left leg in front, and then back to normal, and then right leg in front. So switch feet. Make sense? So let's do this one in 10 seconds again. And I'm going to count them when I go back like this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Ready? 10 seconds and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So tougher. I was 15. I couldn't quite get 16 in there. So 15 on the crisscross. Again, when you're doing this with someone else, you can use a 10-second timer again, and then see how many your friend can get, or your brother, sister, or mom or dad, and that way you can challenge each other. It's kind of fun. But for me right now, it's just by myself. Unfortunately, that's not nearly as much fun. So next one. Here's a funny. They call it, these are the half spins. Okay, so a half spin is going to be like this. Okay, make like this, and you do a half turn like this. That's 1. Well, let's call it as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I'm going to go. So I'm facing away. Be fully facing away, and then fully facing towards you again. Ready? 10 seconds. Set and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whew. Only 12 on the half spins. That was pretty tough, actually. In 10 seconds, it didn't seem that long, and it's just enough to get your breath going. So now, after the half spin, next we're going to do you guessed it, a full spin, or as close as we can to a full spin. It's pretty tough to go all the way around. So, and instead of going in circles, I want you to try and do a full spin in one direction and then full spin in the other direction. So you don't get too dizzy and fall over. All right, so what I mean by that is, you're gonna come here, try again. It's pretty tough to do a full spin, but be careful. You got maybe need some more space around you so you don't hurt yourself. If you feel like you gotta fall over and hurt yourself, don't try that one if you don't want to. It's same with all these challenges. If you think something's not gonna work for you, that's okay, no big deal. It's just these are for fun. So I'm gonna try to do a full spin and then another full spin back again. Regain your balance first before you try another spin. So it's tough to go all the way around. There's one. And I'm gonna move back the other direction now. There's two. There's three. Okay. So even me, I was kind of losing my balance a little bit on those. So I gotta regain my balance first before I turn another spin so I don't fall over. 10 seconds. Ready, set, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, looks like 4 in 10 seconds. Significantly harder. So there we go. That's even if you can do a full spin. They're pretty tough. If you can't, no big deal. Again, just do some whatever you can for a spin. So that's a fun one. All right. Full spin. Okay, now we're gonna do a square motion. So if you're gonna go in a square, you're gonna go jump front to back like this, and then the other direction. Okay, so we're gonna do a one leg square, and then the next one we're gonna do the other leg square. Okay, so pick any leg you want to jump on. Doesn't matter because you're gonna switch legs anyway. So 59 is the number 59 challenge. Again, 10 seconds, and you'll see what I mean by square in a second. Okay. So square, I'm gonna go at the back of the tape to the front of the tape, like this, make it a square shape. All right, so look like this, ready? All right, so when I start, I'll get back to the start position, I'll count that as 1. 10 seconds, ready, set, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whew. I can feel that, but starting to burn my calf muscle a little bit. I was 6 on that one in 10 seconds. So now I'll try that was my left leg, now I'll try my right leg. And this is the last challenge, number 60 right here. Okay, it's a lot of challenges. And we'll go the other way in my right leg here. Set and see if I can get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whew, I was actually able to get about 6.5 for that one, which does make sense because my right leg is my dominant leg. That means it's the one that I kick with. So fun fact, if you're left-handed, most likely your left leg is your dominant leg. If you're right-handed, most likely your right leg is your dominant leg. I'm really strange because I'm left-handed, but my right leg is my dominant leg. Don't know why. It's just the way it is. So, all right. So I hope you enjoyed your challenges. And if even better yet is if you join me online for this on your Monday, Wednesday, Friday session. And otherwise, you can do it on your own at your convenience, which is why I put up the videos on either Sunday night or Monday mornings, so you can do them at your convenience. Hopefully make this last week of online learning for you before we actually see you in person on Tuesday the 19th. Very excited about that. So see you guys in a little bit, and adios.